Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the connection between your Logitech G305 X and its Lightspeed receiver. So first of all, make sure to turn your mouse on and connect the receiver to your computer. It's not so easy to do in the dark. And after that, if you cannot use your mouse yet, then connect a wire from a USB cable connected to your computer to your mouse. I think most cables would do, but you should, I think, totally use your original cable. And after that, you're gonna have to download and install the G HUB application on your PC. You can install it from the official Logitech website. Then you're gonna have to go to the settings by clicking right here. Scroll down, you will see this device pairing tool. Select it, select pair mouse, click continue, then click continue once again. And then here you're gonna have to select your mouse. And if you don't see your mouse on the list, open this app in the full screen window. Scroll a bit down, and here you'll find your G305 X at the very bottom. Then you can unplug. No, then you have to click begin pairing, and then you can unplug. You should unplug the wire and hold your finger down on the pairing button for 3 seconds. And that's it. Right now, the issue should be gone. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.